Hey, hi all. So, if you're watching this first time, then you're probably someone who is curious about AI, or maybe you have been thinking a right place to making a good career and shift into this. Either way, so you are in the right place. I am the part of VGI Skill Lab, and today I just want to walk you through something that I am genuinely excited about. We have put together completely free training libraries covering everything from machine learning and deep learning to generative AI to computer vision to the developer tools, building the engineers, testified with the DevOps as well as MLOps platform, and completely full stack AI engineer. So let me walk you through these things. So if you just go into this Google and type this VGI skill.ai, so you're going to get the interface like this. Now let me tell you, like VGI Skill Lab is a training platform built by AI practitioners, not just educators. And if you just scroll down, so our educators Madhusudan and Akash and me, so these are the people who have graduated from IIT Kharagpur, who have shipped the real AI system to productions. They have trained engineers who now at Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Deloitte, and the goal is very simple: to build the kind of training we wish we had when we were starting. If you just go here and press this start learning button, you will see that there are so many catalog present here. The ML and deep learning campus to corporate training is designed for absolute beginners and the professionals who want to solidify their understanding of AI. You will start with what actually AI is if you just press inside this detail button in a ML and deep learning campus to corporate catalog. You will start with what AI actually is, its branches, the types of machine learning, and how data flow through a real pipeline. From there, you build up regression, classification, clustering, decision tree, ensembling method like random forest and XGBoost all in one catalog. Then we go into the deep learning, understanding and learning about neural networks, CNNs for image classification, and NLP for text analysis. And we finish with a full stack Capstone project where you build and deploy a real machine learning application, replicating the same way that people are deploying it into the production in big MNC companies using tools like FastAPI, Dockers, GCP, and some other cloud platform, then building a CI/CD pipeline, everything stick to one ML project end to end. After understanding this 15 section, a dozen of lessons all structured so that you never feel bored, because we at the VGS Skill Lab believed in scenario based learning. So we created a lecture in a way so that it does not look like a lecture, but it's more look like as if you are considering and watching a movie. So we believe in a scenario based learning. We given some scenario to the students, and students are learning from that scenario by our theory lectures, and the same scenario we create for our practical implementation as well, so that they never feel awkward and bored whenever they are facing interview or whenever they are going up with the project to their senior, talking to senior engineers. So they will feel much confident in that room, the entire consensus of engineers. So that is what we believe in, that apart from making the project, you should have a right skill of delivering the project as well. And you only deliver the project when you have a good command on the set of skills which is now there in the market. That's why. After this, so this one is for you, and you can say actually from learning this catalog is that I have heard about ML to I can build and deploy a complete machine learning model in just a one structured path. Now, if you come here, just go press the back button, you are going to get this another catalog which is VGI Capstone project series. Now, what is this for? So now you know all the theory, but employer want to see that you able to solve a real world problem. This is exactly what Capstone project series is built for. In this training, you will going to work end-to-end machine learning project from raw data all the way to production ready and portfolio worthy application. In this training, you work on the music insights, the way the team are still working in Spotify. It's a very big company where you predict the song virality, classify mood for the playlist, the way you see this in the Spotify app, how all this mood classification works, and how cluster tracks the auto-generated playlist, all are real data. So, and how you can make and understand the complete business problem out of it. You will learn how to set up your dev environment, handling messy data, training a classification and clustering model, writing a modular level production code using an MVC protocol, and then build a REST API with FastAPI and use Git for version control and DVC also for data version control, all in one project flow. This is the training that bridges your skills to what an actual AI engineer teams looks like and what the job requirement currently they are looking for. Okay. Now, if you just go and press this back button, you're going to get the another catalog, which is like VGI Developer Toolkit. Now, what you're supposed to get in this is that here is something that often gets overcooked. So you can know all the algorithms in the world, but if you can't version control your code, containerize your app, set up a CI/CD pipeline, and connect your AI application to the real services, then you'll struggle in the real time. Definitely, you are going to struggle in the real time. So the VGI Developer Toolkit training fixes that. So we follow Rohan, our main protagonist of our scenario-based learning system, where he is like a regular college-going student, and through his journey of learning, we trained him from a very beginner to pro-level developers. Through his story, he can learn Git, GitHub, Docker, Kubernetes, LangChain, CI/CD with Jenkins and GitHub Actions, Google Cloud Basics, and N10 for automation. And again, it's a scenario based learning. So at the end, you will be speaking the same language to the senior engineers, the way we train our protagonist Rohan. Now coming to the another catalog, which is like VGI's full stack generative AI 2026. Now it's a time of generative AI because we are still living in a 2026. So this is a training for anyone who wants to deep dive into large language models, agents, and production ready Gen AI systems. Here you will see that how large language model actually works, and then we go hands-on practice of understanding the Hugging Face, the LangChain frameworks, the Google ADK frameworks, then a practical golden rule to approach any generative AI real-world problem statement, where we are designing AI application that not just work for a demo, but it actually hold up into the production, because most of the Gen AI application fails in the demo, right? So that's why. From there, you will going to understand about prompt engineering, the tools calling, the React agent tool, the reasoning and action tool, then full LangChain pipeline, running model locally with the Olama, then understanding very popular framework, MCP. It's a new tool. Then production ready AI agents using a Google ADK. This is another new tool and very popular in the market, developed by Google. Google ADK, Google Agent Development Toolkit, where you can make a communication with the one agent to the another agent. Both are working autonomously, and you can handle the communication bridge between them. So you are going to learn about it, the full agentic RAG system. RAG, you know. If you don't know, again, we are going to deliver the RAG as well. You will going to learn about how to build a simple RAG system, advanced RAG system, agentic AI RAG system using an advanced Google Vertex AI search. This is the new one. And these are the most comprehensive one, and we made it completely free so that all the training go very smoothly. So whether you are a developer who wants to build the AI application, the production grade system, or a professional who wants to understand how to integrate large language model into your enterprise system, this training will take you there. This much I can guarantee, because building a trust is very, very important. That's why. Again, so if you want to become a computer vision engineer after learning all the basics, if you want to follow your computer vision path, then there is another catalog which is VGI object detection. So from fundamentals to real world application. This will take you through understanding the OpenCV image processing, then understanding the YOLO family, that how does YOLO model works, data annotation for custom model training, and deploying vision AI at the production scale. You will build a real world application system, you will build a pose estimation pipeline, action recognition system, and you will learn how to monitor them in a production using an MLflow and weights and bias. These are the new tools that you are going to get trained on this. After this, so this is our last catalog, This I have released last week itself, which is VGI AI Toolkit, Mastering AI for Everyday Productivity. Let's say that you don't know anything about coding, but you want to learn still AI. You want to very passionate about AI. Then you can avail this course very free, where you will learn how to use the tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini effectively, write a better prompt, automate everything repetitively, then understanding the cloud code, understanding cloud AI, how to generate the image, how to generate the video, how to generate PPT using a prompt. We have a technique. We have given you entire formula for that, so that you will going to completely adhere in your entire lifetime. After this, so again, there are again coming to our entire course this training structure. So there are 6 structured learning part covering from machine learning and deep learning, computer vision, generative AI, developer tools, AI productivity, end-to-end capstone project. Everything you need to know before becoming a job-ready AI engineer or someone who wants to transit into AI. We built it because we believe that the best way to grow in an AI ecosystem is to make a great training accessible to everyone. And the university grads, the recent grads, or those who are working professional who want to make a transit, the entire catalog is basically for them. So even if you've not coded a single line of a code, we have the testimony like the 8th or 9 standard student. They go into this VGI skill lab and they start learning AI because we kept the Python lecture as well. So if you don't know anything, if you don't know how to code, come to VGI skill lab. You are going to get trained over this. You don't know how to train the model, come to VGI skill lab. We are going to train over this as well. So yeah, at the last word, I think the AI world moves very fast, and the best time to start was yesterday, but no regret actually, because the second best time is right now. So you can just go there, avail all these courses for free, and start training yourself, start upskilling yourself, because this is what we have created the vision to make the training accessible to all with the no compromise on all the things that we have given. You can attach all those things to your resume, CV, or even in your projects. We are going to give the entire code detail as well. So if you just go there and you will find our this the entire code repository, so that you would able to access all the code. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for connecting, and yeah, happy learning.